The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Keep goats, for they bring blessings." Before picking up the pen, research so thoroughly that no one else can challenge what you write. Do not share the state of your heart with everyone, for it doesn't take long to become a spectacle. If you want to stay happy, make a rule in life. Forget those who leave you. When your friends are in sorrow, join them in every situation, but do not join their happiness unless they invite you. Some loves are so pure that they must be hidden even from oneself, lest they be harmed by one's own gaze. Sometimes even a stone's strike doesn't leave a scratch, but a single small word can shatter a person. The ways of the world are so strange. It mocks the unsuccessful and burns with envy for the successful. If people talk behind your back, understand that there is something special about you. That's why they envy you. Provide water to doves and parrots, and boundless wealth will come to your home. There is one thing common between humans and chess. If the queen in chess or the conscience of a human dies, the game ends. Never complain about what is written in your destiny, for you are not wise enough to understand Allah's will. The fewer your confidants, the less you will have to wash your hands, because your weaknesses are what empower your enemies. Even after searching through all these colorful hues, I could not find the color of people's changing nature. After the rain stops, the umbrella feels like a burden. Similarly, when people no longer need you, you start to feel like a burden.